In this video, I'm going to show you 7 free plugins that will save you a ton of time while editing. The first plugin is Motion Pro. This free pack includes over 350 presets and 750 sound effects. Go to Window, Extension, and open the plugin. Inside, you'll find transitions like blur, exposure, light leak, zooms, and more. To apply one, simply click Apply, wait for it to load on your timeline, and boom, that's it. There's also a tutorial on their website showing you how to download and start using it. If you run into any issue, drop a comment, I'll be happy to make a tutorial for you. The next is a free pack from AI Juice. Inside, you'll find AI voiceover, icons, VFX assets, a little bit of everything, like analog glitches, text typography, light sweep transitions, liquid elements, and more. To apply an effect, just double click on the preset and it will load right into your timeline. Next is SoundCube, a super handy free plugin. Once downloaded, you can search through 2000 free sound effects on their free plan. When you find something you like, just click down here, set it to Premiere Pro, hit send, and it will be added right into your project, saving you time instantly. Alright, next up, and honestly my favorite. I use it so much. Premiere Composer by Animation Composer, aka Mr. Horse. This plugin gives you access to many things, like text boxes and text presets. Just double click to add one and use the control panel to customize it however you want. It's super easy. It also includes transition. You can drag and drop them for a quick and smooth result. And trust me, if you think these are good, just wait until you see the last plugin. The next two isn't exactly a plugin, but more of a free preset pack. The first one is Essential Motion 3.1, a free preset pack. Once imported into Premiere Pro, you'll get access to 40 presets you can apply to an adjustment layer. Perfect for zoom in, zoom out, glitches, camera wiggles, and 2D object animation. The second one is actually my own free editing pack. It's super easy to use, just download it, import it into Premiere Pro, and you're ready to go. You'll find 3 preset folders. 25 text effect, applying glitch easy, just drag and drop it into your text. And 32 text slide animation, same deal, drag and drop it. And the fan favorite, 100 text transition. Give them a try and let me know what you think. And last, but honestly maybe the best one yet, is Motion Duck by Sound Duck Film. Just go to Window, Extensions to open it like the others. Once opened, you'll see a clean visual layout. To apply something, just double click. In the Effect Control panel, you can customize nearly everything. Turn off noise, turn off background, adjust color, and change the text if you need. There are also titles, double click, customize, same thing, and promo elements and story templates, background, and there are way more to explore. So dive in, try them, and let me know. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment which plugin you're trying out first. And see you in the next one. Peace!